I know, it's a little, well, it's a lot, but to us, it's everything. Of course, you've met my fellow gatherers. And you can call me Kimbe. Now, as you look around our workshop, I'm sure you're thinking, that is a lot of old junk. But please let me clarify something. Some of it is new junk. It's a little cute. All right, seriously, let me explain why we call ourselves the Gatherers. It's because we search the galaxy for ancient relics. We go to forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find, we bring here to our workshop. So, where a stormtrooper walks by and sees worthless clutter, those who know, we see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may just ensure our future. Now, I have a question for all of you. Do you know of the legend of the great Luke Skywalker? Yes?
Yeah.
Good. Because guess what? There is another, a new Jedi. And she is a scrapper like us. Does anyone know her name?
Ray.
Ray. I knew I liked this room. Now, what Ray needs is the spark of hope that we've all been waiting for. That's why you're here, to look ahead. Well, okay. You're also here to build this, yeah? A lightsaber. You know, the saber has been wielded by many of our greatest heroes, and also some of our darkest enemies. But it is still elegant and enigmatic. We believe that building a lightsaber is an art, but the saber is a reflection of its builder with the force flowing between them, and today, you will feel that connection. All right, enough of that. Let us begin. We will start with perhaps the most important element of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal. It's able to focus the energy of the force and then magnify it. Some say, and we also believe, that it is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the blade. I'm sure you recognize these examples. Blue. Wielded by the great Obi-Wan Kenobi, Anakin Skywalker, and Rey. Green, well, there's Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano as a Padawan, Master Yoda, and of course, Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare, beautiful, like the one wielded by the great Mace Windu. Red. Did you know that it is actually called the color of power? So that it makes sense, wielded by Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and of course there's Kylo Ren. But these stories of the past, my friends, we're here for you, our future. So now it's time for you to choose your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. But for this, I need you all to please close your eyes. Everyone, please close your eyes. I promise there's no surprises. I just need you to focus on those 4 colored crystals in your mind. Blue, green, violet, red. Of those 4, which one shines brightest in your mind's eye? Which one is yours? Do you see it? Good. Everyone, open your eyes. Choose your crystal and remember that it is equally likely that the crystal is choosing you. Wonderful. You've all chosen your kyber crystals. Yes, please place them in the small crystal holders in front of you. Now it's time for you to join your kyber crystal with the saber design that you've all previously selected. My friends, it is now time to build the hilt. Now the hilt is the foundation of the lightsaber, the center of control, if you will. It's also the part that keeps your hands moving the center ring. We think that's important. I have a feeling so do you. Now, in these boxes are the components we've chosen, but we do ask that everyone please read. Follow along with my fellow gatherers. I'll give a brief synopsis about the parts, and then we'll begin to build all together. So, we'll start with the chassis. Then we'll move all the way over to the activation plates, come back to the grips, then the emitters, and then pommel pads. My fellow gatherers are here to assist you on your journey. Please follow their instruction. They will help guide you on your path. So now, my friends, let's build.
Alright, right, so guys, I'll be helping you today. We're going to use go ahead and pick up that chest. And then go ahead and pick up your kyber. You know, just pop my air machine in. You'll line it up on the wall. This is going to be the trickiest part of the build. If you guys need any help, just let me know. About this.
Make sure we're going
Now you're going to pick up a pair of activation blades. And on the inside of those, it'll either have a red square or blue square. And if you look at your chassis, there's red here, red here. Just want to make sure those colors line up perfectly. Just click right in. You do the same thing for the now you're going to pick out your sleeves. There's 4 to choose from. One will go on top, one will go on the bottom. Just make sure the silver bulky edge points inwards. And the bulky silver edge points inwards. And then you're going to push it and twist. Just push it and twist this. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Now we're going to make this activate. Switch out. We have 3
Yeah.
Power control, red crystal. Tell me about it, Leon. It's like it. Again, let me just say something about some of the things that you have here. We've got pieces that resemble that of and his grandson, Kylo Ren. So, very powerful piece. We're going to continue that legacy. My friends, whether you choose peace and justice or protection and defense, elements, nature, or power and control, please know that every choice that you've made is perfect. Because it's a part of your journey. And I speak for all of us when I say it is an honor to be a part of that journey. But now that you have completed your kills, for your safety, I need you to leave them right here at your stations, and I need everyone, please, to move back. We've come to the most dangerous stage of the process. We are stabilizing the crystals for activation, and it requires one with a bit more training and experience like my fellow gatherers. We're making sure that the power cells are stable, and that the emitter matrix is not inverted. The last time we had an inverted emitter matrix, someone created a huge explosion, and we didn't want that to happen. Now again, wait, I don't see anything wrong.
With many parts you began, yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It is time.
Well, it is not the emitter matrix, but it is Master Yoda. Of course, he's right. It is time. It's time for the final stage. The bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. In a moment, I'll ask you to move forward, place your hand on the hilt, and on my signal, we will activate together. My friends, are you ready?
Yes!
Good. Now, please, move forward, place your hand on the hilt, await my signal. Activate! Builders, raise your sabers high. You did it! You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi, and apparently quite a few Sith that have come before you. And like them, you too could change the galaxy. But remember this, my friends. For change, it only takes a spark. Please, deactivate your lightsabers. Keep them deactivated for the moment.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but like your way, it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. My friends, what you hold in your hand is remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, for your new lightsabers, we're pleased to present you with a saber sheath as you depart. But before you go, let me say this. Our time together has come to an end. But your journey is just beginning. It is time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers that you've created. Perhaps maybe next time, we'll be telling your story. It would be my honor. Once again, raise your sabers high, activate!